everyone, welcome back to another new video, guys. I'm so excited today. Make sure to like and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so at the Dollar Tree, we found these. I'm going to step first. So we're going to do an Easter video where I show you some miniatures and some DIY miniatures to add to your Dollaramas, such as this little Easter basket, which I made out of a really old school hat. A little Barbie notebook. That's so cute. Let's see. Some peeps. Some eggs that we'll do a video on decorating. So much fun. How cute are these? We made these out of Mala Magic. A little chick. And of course, some mini brands. Candy. What would an Easter basket be without candy, right? Again, this is just a preview on what we're going to go over for our holiday edition video on DIY miniatures. Whoopsie daisy. So let's look. And we also have this mini brand, the toy mini brand, little Hello Kitty bead set, which is really cute. And this little Barbie notebook I got in some little birthday set. And the flowers came from Hobby Lobby. But we'll put that aside for now. Lots to show you and not a lot of time. Super cute though, right? Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And we have a peep balloon. I showed you how to make that. And in the background, we have some holiday stuff like a ham. This